Part 3. 10:22 in Texas, in my hometown. I'm being hit in my left, top of my left head right now with a weapon by one of the flying ass snakes out here. Probably this bitch right here. From the way I'm sitting, this bitch was hitting me in my head. There go another bitch. Probably bitch was behind me, burning my head. They really going lower than the fence over there. What's over there, Plano? I know homes are. There go this bitch now, wherever he at.